Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and anyone who loves grilling on the go. We found the Royal Gourmet GT2006 portable tabletop gas grill, and we've added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. The Royal Gourmet GT2006 is a compact and versatile gas grill designed specifically for camping, tailgating, and outdoor events. With its foldable legs and lightweight design, this grill is easy to transport and store, making it an ideal companion for your outdoor adventures. Let's dive into the features that make this grill stand out. First off, it offers a well-designed cooking space of 369 square inches. This is quite impressive for a portable grill, as it can comfortably accommodate up to 15 burgers at once. Whether you're grilling for your family or hosting friends at a picnic, there's plenty of room to cook a variety of foods simultaneously. One of the key highlights of the Royal Gourmet GT2006 is its compact size. When the side tables and support legs are folded, it measures just 25.94 by 18.60 by 11.37 inches. This means you can easily fit it in your car trunk or even store it in your garage without taking up too much space. It's perfect for those who love to travel and want a grill that's easy to handle. Now, let's talk about the ignition system. The Royal Gourmet GT2006 features a piezo ignition that ensures quick and hassle-free lighting every time. No more struggling with matches or lighter fluid, just a simple push and you're ready to start cooking. This feature is particularly useful when you're eager to get to grilling and don't want to waste time setting up. The grill is equipped with a powerful stainless steel burner that delivers an impressive 12,000 BTU output. This means it heats up quickly and evenly across the cooking surface, allowing you to achieve perfectly cooked meals with minimal effort. Whether you're searing steaks or grilling vegetables, you can trust that this grill will help you achieve great results. Another essential feature is the built-in temperature gauge, which provides precise control over the cooking temperature. This allows you to monitor the heat inside the grilling chamber and adjust accordingly to ensure that your food is cooked just the way you like it. It's especially handy when grilling delicate items like fish or when you want to achieve that perfect caramelization on your meats. So, who is the Royal Gourmet GT2006 suitable for? This grill is perfect for campers, tailgaters, and anyone who enjoys outdoor cooking. It's also great for small families or couples who want a reliable grill that won't take up too much space during their adventures. If you often find yourself at picnics or backyard gatherings, this portable grill can be a game changer. In terms of practical use cases, imagine heading out for a weekend camping trip. You can easily pack the Royal Gourmet GT2006 alongside your gear, and once you set up camp, you can have a delicious grilled meal ready in no time. It's also an excellent choice for tailgating before a big game, allowing you to whip up burgers and hot dogs while enjoying the pre-game festivities. Even if you just want a grill in your backyard or balcony, this grill's compact design makes it a convenient option. In summary, the Royal Gourmet GT2006 portable tabletop gas grill is a fantastic solution for anyone who loves outdoor cooking without the hassle of a large, cumbersome grill. With its ample cooking space, compact design, quick ignition, powerful burner, and precise temperature control, it checks all the boxes for a reliable portable grill. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.